everybody, welcome back to today's video. In this video we're going to be talking about the C8 Corvette. We're going to go over how much I bought the car for, how much my monthly payment is, and how much I rent this car out on Turo, and how much money it makes me. So stay tuned for that, but first... All right, you guys, here is the moment you have been waiting for. We're finally going to discuss the Turo numbers of the C8 Corvette. So to get started, this is a 2021 C8 Corvette. It has the Z51 package with the performance track management. So this one is a little bit more special than your everyday C8 Corvette with the Z51 package. I was able to purchase this car for $89,898 plus tax, licensing, fees, title, all that good stuff. And I was able to get qualified for a loan with just $1,000 down. So that makes my total monthly payment on this car $1,550. Now, we also need to talk about insuring this car. A lot of people think it's very expensive to insure a car like this, and I promise you, it's not that expensive. I pay $64 a month to insure this car. Now, I do have a policy with a lot of cars on it, so I probably get a relatively decent discount, but for this car specifically, it is $64 a month. So that brings the grand total monthly expenses on this car to $1,614. It sounds like it's a lot of money, and let me tell you, it is. But the good thing about this car is it's such a popular car on Turo that it's cash flowing month over month. Now, this car on Turo rents out for $229 per day. That's the magic number that I have found that's gotten this car out about 90% of the time. The cool thing about it is it allows me to make money on this car, but also drive this car for free. So I've been renting the C8 Corvette out on Turo for about 3 months. And so far, the C8 Corvette in that period has brought in $10,310. Yeah, that's some good shit. And if we take that number and we divide it by 3 to get what our monthly income is on this car brings in $3,436. If we subtract how much we spend on this car, which was $1,614, this car profits $1,822 every single month. Now, let me be clear. We just got out of the busy season and we're gonna be rolling into November, December. I'm very curious to see how successful this car is during that time of year, but so far, the C8 Corvette has been my #1 car, and if you're considering doing Turo, I highly recommend picking up a C8 Corvette. Just make sure you rent it out in an area that's not mine, because I don't want any more competition. And there you have it. Those are the Turo numbers on the C8 Corvette. Now, be sure to stay tuned and follow the channel because we are doing 30 videos in 30 days. And the upcoming videos, we're gonna talk about revamping, rebranding the entire YouTube channel and all my social medias. We're gonna talk about the specs on the C8 Corvette. We're gonna talk about the specs on the R8. We're gonna go over all of the cars. So you guys have a lot of awesome stuff to look forward to.